I know, more babies, sweetie. I know. I don't think you can take care of all of them. You've got your 7 already. You're such a good mama. I know. Yes, I know you want to take care of them, but that's too many. Yes. That's 12 kittens. You can't have 12 kittens. It's too many kittens. Yes. I know one looks like you. Yeah. Oh, baby. Yes. I'm gonna take care of them. I know, but you've got 7 babies in your igloo bed already. And you adopted 4 of them already. You cannot adopt those 5 little ones. It's too many babies. I know. What can we do? Yeah. Such a good girl. Such a good mama. Yes, you're a good mama. So I've just brought the 4 new kittens home. And my mama cat that I have at my place, that lives with me at the moment, she already has 3 babies of her own, which were still quite small, and she has adopted my 4 babies, and now I've just brought home those 5 babies, and she's such a good cat, such a good mama cat, that she wants to adopt them too. But that's quite a lot, 12 babies to take care of. I've called that cat NAIA, but obviously when she gets a sponsor she will probably get a new name. But I can't live with a cat and not name her. She cannot not have a name. She's the sweetest cat ever. Such a good girl, very good mama. Takes very good care of her babies. And she's already cleaning those ones. That's how good of a mama she is. Alright, bye bye for now.